Have you never observed bag-like structures hanging to trees in the forests? I saw for the first time and felt it would be a group of birds or a bird nest or a honeycomb. But when I closely saw, I found it was an irregular, rough, tough structure, and I was totally attracted to birds chirping in this tropical area. And these pleasant sounds in this tropical forest gave me a new doubt as it would be an insect's nest. And luckily, I found this structure on ground which is partially decomposed. I was shocked at this as it was like an apartment having many rooms and there is a way from one room to another. Now, my brain questioned me that what this structure was made up of. After long deep observation, I thought it would be dried leaves. Of course, my guess was correct. Finally, through my excitement, I got my answer in the forest, and I cannot wait to know who is this awesome architect. They are our close friends, ants. Ants are social creatures. They live in colonies that consist of several individuals, spread over different castes, the workers, the soldiers, and the like. Besides this, the colony also has fertile females and males, the queen and the drone. The queen lays eggs while the workers cart them away and store them in special chambers meant for the purpose. Their lifestyle often necessitates the need for a safe home, a nest. A nest that can give the ants a place to live in, a place that offers ample protection to the queen and her eggs, and a secure place for the growing larva. And possibly also a place to store the waste generated by the colony. And finally, we got to know this complex permanent nest was built by our ants. And let us meet with another observation. Thank you.